Welcome back to the SmartBots demonstration video series. I'm Quincy, and in this video, we'll walk you through setting up RLV support for your personal bot in Second Life. If you do not know how to set up a personal bot, the link to the video will be in the description. So, what is RLV? RLV, or Restrained Love Viewer, is a feature that allows bots to perform more advanced interactions like teleporting, sitting, detaching items, changing outfits, playing animations, and so on. It is widely used for roleplay, automation, and interactive experiences in Second Life. To put it simply, imagine having a remote control over another avatar, which essentially allows you full control. That's RLV. To get started, you'll need to purchase the RLV Support Add-on from the add-on store. To do this, visit our website, click Get Add-ons, select Appearance, and click RLV Support. Then simply proceed with purchase. By the way, we are hosting a special giveaway. Scan the QR code on screen to enter. Don't miss your chance to win something exciting. Now that RLV is enabled, all we have to do is purchase an RLV device. For this video, we are going to be demonstrating one of the open-color RLV devices. There's a wide variety of open-color devices all across Second Life Marketplace, which are compatible with SmartBots. At this point, all we have to do is log in via the bot's viewer and set up the RLV device. I'll quickly do this and I'll be back with you. Okay, we have now configured the RLV device from the bot's viewer and logged it back through SmartBots. For the sake of this demonstration, we'll simply change the outfits for our bot. To do this, click the color, select RLV, click Outfits, and then choose the one that you'd like your bot to wear. And that's it! You've successfully enabled RLV support for your personal bot. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. As always, I'm Quincy, and I'll see you in the next video.